Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Heroic. So earlier today, in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to get multiple accounts and how you can create multiple accounts, multiple ChatGPT accounts. You can get access to ChatGPT 4.0. So earlier I did a video on how to create multiple Gmail accounts and you can use it anywhere. So this is where the Gmail is more useful. So and how is this Gmail useful? So earlier, if you check my video earlier, you can see the video up there. So I can go over the video. So earlier I did a video on how to generate multiple Gmails that you can use to create different sites, especially Facebook accounts. If you want to create multiple Facebook accounts, you can use that method. So I did a video on that earlier, so I'm going to do it again, but this time we're going to use it for ChatGPT. Probably you are using ChatGPT 4.0, ChatGPT 4.0 is upgraded now and you can use it for a lot of things. So now if you want to get access, probably you are using it and you are out of, you can upload just three images and get probably 3 images in a day. You can upload something you want to like customize. Probably you want to get an image in different dimensions, so you have the access of uploading 3 images in a day for you to be able to finish the prompt you want to finish for that particular day. So but this time around, if you don't want to wait for the for 24 hours before you can be able to access the features again, then you can create multiple accounts on ChatGPT. So how do you create multiple accounts without creating multiple Gmail? Signing up with Gmail can be stressful, but you can get multiple ChatGPT accounts using this method. So now I'll go on to mail method. So on mail method, I'm gonna put my main Gmail account and I'm gonna click on generate. So when I click on generate, you can see that I have 1024 emails that I can use to create a ChatGPT account, which means I can create 1024 1000 plus Gmail ChatGPT accounts in a single day. So now how am I going to do that? I will just make use of 3 or probably 10 for an example so you can check. So now on ChatGPT, let's say we sign up with our main Gmail account. So now immediately I sign up with my main Gmail account. Let me sign up that first. So let me continue with Google. So my first signing up is continuing with Google. So I'll continue with Google and then I have an account created. So I click on continue. So immediately I click on continue, I can see that okay, it says about you. So I have to submit about me. So let me just put the name and let's put random Gmail date of birth. So after that, then I will have access to, okay, let me try again. So full name, so I'll click on continue. So then I have access to an account already. So now probably after I've make use of this my add photo, add photos and file, I can only add 3 of them. If I want to upload them, maybe I'll ask ChatGPT to create me an image. Probably let me take for example this. So I ask ChatGPT to rephrase. Let me say I want to ChatGPT to rephrase 3 images. So let me upload this. I'm gonna upload this. I will upload this and this. So I'm gonna upload them. So then please animate these images and probably brand them. So immediately I do that, so I'll not be able to add extra files again. Maybe I used up this option, so I won't be able to use because presently you are using ChatGPT 4.0. You understand? So when you're using ChatGPT 4.0, then you have the chances of using just three upload option. Are you getting me? So now after that, probably I've used up the options. So now I want to create another account. So the first thing I will do is log out from this main account. So now after I log out from that main account, now I'll now start creating an account with all these Gmails. So now the first one, so I'm gonna create 10 so you can see. So how fast I can be able to, how fast I can go with creating an account. So then I'm gonna click on sign up. I'll click on sign up. Then immediately I click on sign up. So now I'm gonna continue with my email. So I'll click continue, and it will ask me to create a password. So I can create a password. So immediately I create a password, I'll click on continue. So I can save my password. So it will ask for email verification. It will send a code. You can see that this is going to send the code to my main Gmail account, the main Gmail account. So I'm going to receive a code here. So you can see the code. Then I'm going to enter the code and input here, and I'm going to click continue. So it asks me to enter my full name, asks me to enter my date of birth, and I'll click on continue as well. So then you can see that I have another account already, ChatGPT. So you can do this continuously. Then I'm gonna log out again. So this is two accounts already. I have two accounts already, which means I can make use of ChatGPT in multiple. I'll use of the options. So I can log out again and create another account. So how do I do that again? So I'm gonna pick another email here. I'm gonna pick another email and also sign up again with another email. So I'm gonna still receive code in on my main email too. On this my main email, I'm going to receive another code here. So I'm going to click continue. So it asks me to set password. Okay, let me try again. So you can try and use, if it's getting jam packed, you can try and use another browser for it. So probably maybe your main browser is not going through, so you can probably try and use another browser. So yeah, so I'm continuing with this. So you can see that I'm using another email, so I can save it as well. So then after that, you can see that I have almost 3 accounts already. So you can see I received another code into my main email already. So then click continue. Simple. I can use another name as well. So then I click on continue. Then you can see that I have already accessed 3 accounts in just in how many minutes. So not quite long. I can create a lot of accounts with. So I can create 1,000 ChatGPT accounts in a single day using this one and all over again. So which means I can use the premium version of the ChatGPT 4.0 without any limit of uploading image in a day. So this is how you're going to go about using getting access to you without limits, without having any limits on ChatGPT 4.0. So I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Heroic. Bye.